Hello students, welcome to Annakkili Amma Research Institute.
Let's kickstart your career with AARI's Summer Internship 2025. Are you ready to dive into the world of algal biotechnology? Yes, Annakkili Amma Research Institute AARI brings you an exciting summer internship starting on May 20th, 2025. You can learn from top researchers and explore biomass production, lipid extraction, phycoremediation, seaweed liquid fertilizer and more. You can get a certificate from this course which will enhance your profile with industry recognized credentials. It is ideal for the bachelor's and master's degree students, Ph.D. scholars, faculty members and industrial professionals. Only limited seats are available. Apply now. If you have any further enquiries, please contact us at aari2shiva@gmail.com. Unlock your future of algal science with AARI, your pathway of innovation.
Visit www.aribioscience.com for more information. Thank you.